Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube Tips and Tricks. My name is Brian. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. As always, before we kick things off, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. On the channel, we cover the best tips and tricks to make your YouTube channel better, and we also cover the YTA method as what we mainly use to focus on how to make your channel better. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the notifications so you get updated every time we release a new video. Also, if you wanted to get all of the training at once, or at least most of it at once, you could also consider joining our Patreon page. The link is on the channel and in the description. But today's topic, what we're going to be talking about, is actually testing topics. So today's video is on testing topics. So you've already chosen your niche, right? Okay, so you've gotten your first 7 titles. Maybe you've already started making videos, and if so, that's great. If not, that's okay too. Today we're going to be talking about testing topics. Many niches can have multiple topics within them. For example, if you're doing animal videos, cats could be a topic, dogs could be a topic, puppies, kittens, so on. Endless amount of topics with that niche. Now this is great because you can test topics on your channel. You never know what might work until you post it. Like with me, I started my channel as a gaming channel. I made videos about popular video games, and I live streamed video games. Then one day I came across the YTA method, and then I uploaded the webinar, and it did great. Tons of people were interested in it, so I bought the course, and then I turned it into a topic about my channel. So I've just been creating this content after purchasing that course about the YTA method. I've also done some videos on Facebook that got some views, about the economic impact payments, which is something that was trending and got some views. Um, I've tested things out, and I've just seen what works, and then if something works, I go with it. Mainly what I've seen that works is the training and the YTA method, and that's why I'm sticking with that for now. But as of now, the YTA method and its course, now I may still throw a few things out there here and there just to test the waters, testing topics, just to see how people respond, and then I can figure out what to do with my channel after the YTA method is covered completely. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at a very popular channel and its topics and how you can kind of break those down, which is called Brightside. Give me 1 second here and let me get navigated over to the channel, and we'll go ahead and take a look at it. So let's look at Brightside. So on their channel, it's nice. They've got a big, bold border, or I guess you'd call that a border, wallpaper maybe, but it says bright side, inspiration, creativity, wonder, and it's got their bright side. They have 34 million subscribers. They have videos with 78 million views, so they are a very successful channel. You'll also see you've got their popular uploads, you've got all their uploads, but this is the interesting part. You've also got their topics. So they have a topic on riddles and puzzles. They also have a home effective workouts topic. They have a discovery and mystery topic. They have a jaw-dropping space facts topic. They have returning facts, random facts about the world topics. They have magic tricks revealed topics. So within their niche of their channel, they have all of these different topics that you can look at and that you can work on, in order to, grow your channel and do more with your channel. So that's always there for you, and that's just one basic explanation of topics and how people use them on their channels. So what you want to figure out is what works for your channel, and then go all in with what works. You can organize your channel into groups and have all the like content in the same group or playlist, like I do it with the YTA method, and you can do with your channels, which we've seen earlier with Brightside, how they had the riddles, then the workouts, the mysteries, space facts, magic tricks, all of the things were topics they had tested out at one point, and they worked. So they went with what worked, and they created more content for that topic. Now, having your content in groups will also keep people watching your content back to back. Hopefully, all of you have watched all my YTA videos, and hopefully, having them in the playlist kept you watching And that was the point of it. There is also the organization factor. Having your channel organized with topics and playlists just makes your channel overall look more professional and more organized. What I'm going to do real quick before the end of the video, I'm actually going to walk you through how to do this. So step one, you go to your channel. Step two, you click on customize your channel. Step three, you go to feature content. Now you may want to do this for returning subscribers and for new viewers, so you can actually make it look different for people that are already coming back to your channel, and then you can make it look different for people that are new to your channel. You have both those options in there. Step four, you're going to click add a section, and there's multiple options to choose from. You can do by video type, like popular uploads, liked videos, or you can create a playlist to have them organized by topic. Single playlist, so then you just copy the link, paste it, and save. That's all you got to do, guys. But that's just a little overview of testing topics. So let us know in the comments below some of the topics you guys are working with your channels. Let us know what your niches are in the comments below. Let us know just, what you got going on, how you guys are feeling about the course so far. We're almost through the whole first section. I think there's maybe one more video in this section, and then we're going to be moving on to the next section. We'll probably finish that up by the end of next week, and then be moving into the next section the following week. So I really do appreciate all you guys, and I appreciate your support. A few of you have signed up to be Patreons. I really do appreciate that. And if you want exclusive content and early access to all of the course, then by being a Patreon, that is the best way to get it. But you could always hang out and watch the videos and get them this way too. That's perfectly fine with me. I appreciate all your guys' love and support. I love you all, and I will catch you next time on YouTube Tips.